In this video, we'll explore some exciting tools in Canva that can transform the look of an image. Follow along as we experiment with features like Cartoonize, Animeify, Claymify, and the versatile Reimagine tool, which offers 18 different options for your images. To get started, go to the left sidebar and click on the app's icon. In the search bar at the top, type Cartoonify and press Enter. This will bring up two options, Cartoonify and Cartoonist. Click on Cartoonify to open it. Next, you'll be prompted to upload a photo. You can either upload one from your computer to the Upload section or choose an image from Photos in the app's menu. Once your image is uploaded, Cartoonify will automatically begin transforming it. With apps open, type Animeify. Click on the prompt. Again, we are prompted to upload a photo. Once your image is uploaded, it will again automatically begin transforming it. Sometimes it takes a bit of time to generate. Next, type Clay into the app search bar and select Claymify from the results. Click the icon to open it. You'll be prompted to upload a photo. Once you've added your image, click Generate to start the process. This took a little while to finish. For this video, I've sped up the process to save time. Next, type Reimagine into the app's search bar. This will open a menu featuring 18 different options to explore. Click on Reimagine to get started. You'll be prompted to upload a photo. Once your photo is uploaded, you can select a style to apply. There are 6 styles to choose from. I went with Mystic and clicked the Generate button. Once again, these do take some time to generate, so I sped up the process. I hope this quick overview gave you a glimpse of how Canva can transform your photos into something truly amazing. We've only scratched the surface of the creative possibilities available in Canva. Take some time to try out these features and see what unique designs you can create. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing to the channel. Your support means a lot. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.